Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your age on TikTok. So let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Once you're there, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, that's your menu. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a bit until you find Report a Problem and tap on it. Inside the Help section, tap on Account and Profile, then select Editing Profile. After that, tap on Others. You'll now see a few options. Tap Yes when it asks if your issue is resolved. Then, tap on Need More Help? Here you'll get a text box. This is where you'll send a message to TikTok support. Just write something like, "Hello, I'd like to update my date of birth because it's incorrect on my account." Once you send the message, TikTok support will reply asking you to confirm your date of birth. Tap on the link or form they send and enter your correct birthday. In some cases, TikTok might ask you to upload an ID card or other official document to verify your age. Just follow the instructions carefully. After that, TikTok will review your request and your birthday will be updated once everything is confirmed. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful TikTok tricks like this one.